Kofiel, we'll see how you escape this today.
What else do you want with all this? You still breaks my heart, Kojo. Why?
Vera, please, let me explain.
Explain what?
Vera, please hear me out. I'm not cheating on you, okay? We were just having a business discussion. Vera is only you, and you know it.
Kojo, this what you said the last time I saw you with Marison,
Vera, it was nothing, I swear. Vera, I'll really love you. You are everything a man needs in a woman.
Oh, Kojo, that's so sweet. Kojo, I have forgiven you.
Oh, really? That's good to hear.
Yes, but don't get too comfortable.
I won't, I promise.